Welcome all. In this video, we are going to talk about variation of chemical potential with temperature. So, we are going to derive the relation of variation of chemical potential with temperature. So, we all know chemical potential of the ith component mu I is nothing but dou of G by dou of Ni, that is the ith component, okay, with respect to at constant temperature, pressure, N1, N2 up to Nj. So, or this we can write it as bar Gi, that is partial molar Gibbs free energy. So, when I am going to differentiate this equation with respect to equation 1 with respect to temperature, keeping pressure and a number of moles as constant. So, dou mu I by dou T, okay, dou mu I by dou T would be equal to, so this will be dou square G double differential, because we are going to differentiate dou G by dou Ni. So, it will become dou T into dou Ni. Okay, of course, the multiplication sign won't come, dou T times dou Ni. So, here I am going to differentiate at constant pressure and the number of moles constant. So, all the number of moles is constant, okay, up to Ni constant. We already know that one equation we have seen in a separate ratio, one equation Gg dg is equal to minus SdT plus BdP, okay, minus SdT plus BdP. If I am going to differentiate this equation in with T, so that will become dou G by dou T at constant pressure, of course, N1 up to Ni will be equal to minus S, will be equal to minus S. So, let me take this as equation 2. Let me take this as equation 2. So, if I am going to differentiate this equation with equation 2, this equation 2 with respect to, so differentiate equation 2 with respect to Ni. So, with respect to Ni, so what I will get? I will get dou G by dou T dou Ni would be equal to minus dou S, change in the entropy, divided by dou Ni, okay. So, this is the equation I will get when I compare these two. When I compare this, let me take it as 1A and this as 2A, okay. So, if I am going to compare these two, so what I will get? I will get dou mu I, these two will get cancelled. So, here I have to put dou square, because here dou no, I am going to differentiate with respect to this equation dou G by dou T. So, that will become dou square G. I think I did not write the dou square, so I have written now. So, dou square D G divided by dou T dou Ni. So, this will get cancelled. So, dou mu I by dou T would be equal to minus dou S by dou Ni. Of course, here the temperature, pressure, number of moles of first component constant, temperature, pressure, number of moles of first component, second component constant. So, this term equal to, okay. So, this term is nothing but partial molar entropy, that is SI bar. So, SI bar. So you will be getting dou mu I by dou T is equal to minus partial molar, that is SI bar. Okay, so partial molar entropy, partial molar entropy. Okay, so again I am going to explain once again. So here mu I is equal to dou G by dou Ni. This is the chemical potential definition. Chemical potential definition is nothing but change in the Gibbs free energy with respect to number of moles of the ith component or any one of the component, that is Gi. So when I am going to differentiate this equation, that is mu I is equal to dou G by dou Ni with respect to temperature, dou mu I by dou T would be equal to dou square G by dou T times dou Ni. Okay, we already know that dG is equal to minus SdT plus VdP. Okay, when I am going to differentiate the dG with respect to temperature, so keeping pressure as constant, this term will be a constant, will be a 0. Okay, so we will be having dou G by dou T at constant pressure up to at constant pressure, constant number of moles will be equal to minus S. So I am going to differentiate the second equation with respect to Ni. So if I am going to differentiate the second equation with respect to Ni, I will get dou square G by dou T times dou Ni, which is equal to minus dou S, because I am going to differentiate. So S will change with respect to Ni. So this, let me take it as 2A, and of course temperature, pressure and number of moles is constant. So I am going to compare 2A and 1A. Okay, so dou square G by dou T dou Ni will get cancelled. So you will have dou mu I by dou T would be equal to dou S by dou Ni. So which is nothing but the partial molar entropy. Okay, partial molar entropy, so which is represented as SI bar. So change in the Gibbs free energy with respect to temperature is equal to the partial molar entropy. Okay, so we will discuss the variation of chemical potential with pressure, with respect to pressure in the next video. See you then. Bye bye.